In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items in Zoho Books. We'll break it down into simple steps that anyone can follow. Before we dive in, remember that adding items in Zoho Books helps you keep track of your inventory and streamline your accounting processes seamlessly. Let's start by navigating to the Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're on the main page, direct your attention to the dashboard section. This is your centralized hub where you can access all the features Zoho Books offers. From here, you're going to want to find the Items tab. Usually, this is located in the navigation pane on the left side of your screen. Clicking on Items will take you to the section where you can manage all your inventory items. Now that you're on the Items page, look for the New button. This is your cue to get started with adding a new item. Clicking on New helps you begin the process of creating a new inventory item. It's important to know what kind of item you'll be adding, so make sure you choose the correct item type from the list. This could range from tangible goods to services, depending on what your business sells. With the item type selected, it's time to move on to the specifics. First, you'll type in the item's name. This is how the item will appear on your inventory list, so pick a name that is both descriptive and easy to recognize. Next, you'll need to enter an SKU, or stock keeping unit. This is a unique code that helps you track the item internally. It can be any combination of letters and numbers as long as it's unique to that item. You'll also need to choose a unit for your item. Whether you sell in pieces, liters or meters, selecting the correct unit is crucial for your records and ensures consistency in your sales and reports. After specifying the unit, you'll type in the selling price of the item. This is the price you'll charge customers, so make sure it reflects your pricing strategy accurately. Next, you'll select an account from your chart of accounts where the transaction should be recorded. This is an accounting step that ensures your financials remain organized. Then, input the cost price, which is how much you paid for the item originally. Like the selling price, this is vital for calculating profits and maintaining accurate records. To wrap up, select the appropriate account for cost recording, ensuring accuracy in your expense tracking. When you've filled in all necessary fields, double-check your entries for any mistakes. Once confirmed, click on the Save button. This final action commits your new item to the inventory database. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new item in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you maintain an organized inventory system, improving your business's efficiency and profitability. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more helpful Zoho Books tips.